My name is Kukunda Blessing. I'm the director of Greendoor Supplies Ug Ltd. We do add value to our locally organic sourced fruits like strawberries, banana, pineapples, and matoke. We make organic fruit wines out of them, sourced from farmers around the country, like in the western part of Uganda, Luwero, and all the areas around Kampala. I came to join Imuka 2 years ago, and they helped me with the accounting systems. We're doing manual work, we're doing recording all the details in books. Sometimes we would miss them out, but they came on board and they gave us an accounting system, that is QuickBooks, and they gave us a financial officer who was helping us detail everything and take us through the processes, like how to record the transactions, how to enter them in the systems, how to make reports, and the costing part, which helped us know more about our businesses, and we are able to increase on our production capacities, increase on our profit margins, and they helped us know which products work and which ones don't work. I would call upon any entrepreneur out there to join Imuka Access so that you can be helped with your budgeting, with your business documentation, with your reporting and everything. Thank you so much.